Alright, welcome back to your channel, guys. Hope y'all having a good day or a good night wherever y'all happen just to watch this video. Hope y'all doing well. And today I'm gonna be pretty much showing you the easiest way how to learn how to wheelie a quad. At least the way I find easiest. And yeah, we're gonna get straight into it. Basically, what you really gonna need to know is one, your foot brake. You definitely want to get used to cause this is gonna be kind of like your emergency button, if you will. This is pretty much how you're gonna be able to bring the folder back down just in case you go too far. And your throttle, and pretty much your clutch. And gloves. And I think long sleeve just in case you fall. I haven't fell, thank God, but you definitely want to cover as much of your body as possible, to kind of protect yourself. Try to wear a helmet. And gloves do more than just kind of protect you if you fall. When you grab these right here, you kind of start building these up. If you ever rode like bicycles or anything like that, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, you definitely want to get you some gloves. Get used to grabbing them with gloves, and yeah. Okay. So first thing first, what I like to do is make sure you're on the clutch. Is put my feet or my foot in the grab bar. I recommend getting a grab bar where you have a lot of room, because the last grab bar I had did not have a lot of room, and just in case if something was to happen or you fall off, you don't want your foot to get stuck. That'd be a very bad situation. But with this grab bar, you kind of have a lot more room to kind of get to that balance point. We'll get to that in a second. So I always find it the way to come up is put your foot in the grab bar. And what I like to do is have one finger on the clutch. So when you rev up, especially if you go into kind of slow speeds, and depends on what gear you're in, it will kind of stall out. Well, it will stall out if you're not going the right speed for the right gear. So if you want to learn how to operate the clutch, I actually just posted a video like a week ago that kind of go into how you actually use the clutch. And you got your back brake and a throttle. So what I like to do is pretty much, I don't like to come to a complete stop. I like to kind of just slow down a little bit, tap the brake, and kind of do it like that. And my timing was a little bit off, but I kind of just want to show you kind of like the best way, how I find it. And right now I'm in first gear. Second gear probably more preferable, but so what you want to do is kind of slow down, tap the brake, lean. And yeah, right now I'm trying to go to second. Second gear is a little bit more smooth. First gear is a little bit more jumpy. Slow down. Oh, tragic. See, yeah, I guess that's supposed to happen. So they'll know what's going on. So see right there, it stalled on me. I slowed down a little bit too much, and I ain't basically have enough speed for the right gear. Right now I'm in second gear, but as you can see, I had my finger on the clutch. See, if I had my finger on the clutch, it would have stopped right there. But I ain't have enough speed anyway, but it would have stopped like right there in the tracks. So all you gotta do now pretty much. In second gear, really you wanna go down to first, but my foot is on the back, so I'm just gonna ease off. Give it a little gas, slow down a little bit. gotta do is get to that balance point. But yeah, just remember, always get used to, you know, hitting that brake. Even you have to practice bringing it up, hitting the brake, bringing it back down, bringing it up, hitting the brake, bringing it back down. Just always have in your mind that you're gonna need this. Is gonna keep you from, you know, falling over. But if you always want to make sure you have a decent, good grab bar. I like the wide one. Push on the shove, if I do go all the way back, you know, if you got a good grab bar, it's gonna keep you from pretty much falling over on your back. But yeah, this is a simple, quick, easy video. You know, I ain't gonna get into detail how to run through the gears to you know, while you wheeling. But pretty much that was pretty much how I wheelie in general. Is pretty much come to a nice coast spot where you slow down good enough, lean into it, and boom, it should come straight on up. And yeah, you find the video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, sub, and yeah, be safe. Definitely be careful doing it. Like I said, I ain't hurt myself trying to do it. A lot of people say you will fall off. It don't matter will, it just matter when. But you know, by the grace of God, I haven't fell, and hopefully you won't either. But yeah, I hope y'all have enjoy the rest of y'all day.